So by now, you probably know that gratitude can help you to shift your perspective into a more positive one and to make you happier and fulfilled overall. It's very easy to feel gratitude when things are going our way and everything is easy and life is good. Yet, do you know how to be grateful when things are not going as planned? Now, you might even think, well, how can I be grateful when my whole life is falling apart? So if this is you and you're struggling or going through a difficult moment in life, then today I'm going to share with you my little secret that you can use to help you to cultivate the feeling of hope and gratitude regardless of what's going on around you. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you how to use the power of gratitude to really shift and be happy in life. So why is gratitude so powerful? Well, the power of authentic gratitude, it's really a profound practice that allows us to shift our focus towards the positive aspects of our lives. However, it is essential to remember that authenticity is the key. You really need to mean it. Forcing ourselves to feel grateful when it doesn't come naturally can really create some resistance and can hinder our progress. So instead, you want to seek practices that genuinely inspire you and align you with your inner truth. Now, microgratitude, which is my secret to feeling good. Now, microgratitude is a very simple yet powerful technique that invites us to find appreciation in even the smallest of things in our existence, and regardless of what's going on around us. So it really involves cultivating awareness and acknowledging the subtle blessings that often go unnoticed. So while traditional gratitude encompasses grand gestures and big achievements and relationships, microgratitude encourages us to embrace the present and find joy in the tiniest details of our daily lives. The magic of microgratitude. Now, microgratitude empowers us to cherish the present moment and find gratitude in simple, everyday occurrences. So by directing our attention to these little miniature blessings, we can uncover a whole world of beauty that often eludes us. Now, a few examples of microgratitude are things like, I'm grateful for this moment. Just pause, savor the present, recognize its unique beauty and its potential. I'm grateful for the next breath that I take. Appreciate the gift of life as you inhale and exhale and embrace the flow of energy that's going within you. I'm grateful to feel the sunshine on my face. Really allow the warmth of the sun to remind you of the abundance of light and positivity in your life. I'm grateful for my heartbeat. Recognize the miraculous rhythm that keeps you alive. A reminder of the vitality and the purpose that's within you. Now, embracing microgratitude. So incorporating microgratitude into your daily routine, it only takes a few moments and a few moments of conscious awareness. So throughout the day, just pause and just reflect on the smallest of blessings that are surrounding you the whole time. So cultivate a mindset of appreciation and find joy in the ordinary. Allow microgratitude to infuse your life with positivity and a deep sense of fulfillment. Now, to help you to get into an unbreakable state of gratitude, even faster than you have before, I've created something that countless members of our community are already using. It's called our Rich with Gratitude system. It's a 3-part system which is packed with our most powerful tools and technologies. And it's designed to help you to shift into an unbreakable gratitude mindset every minute of every day. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can check it out if you are interested in adopting gratitude as a daily habit. And if you have any other topics that you'd like me to share with you next week, please leave a comment below and I would love to hear from you. So again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching and bye for now.